Hello and welcome. I have Twinkle Jain with me. Congratulations, Twinkle. You qualified your NET exam in commerce in December 2019. How are you feeling, Twinkle?
Firstly, I would like to thank you for giving me this chance of sharing my experience with you. And regarding UGC NET exam, obviously it feels great after clearing such a prestigious exam. But then after clearing, I guess any competitive exams, you feel awesome. So this is a great feat.
I'm sure. I'm sure you must be at the top of the world right now. So tell us more
Definitely,
about
ma'am.
yourself. Where are you from and what is your educational background?
Presently, I am from Kolkata and I have done my graduation from Goenka College under Calcutta University, and I'm doing my post graduation from Goenka College again under Calcutta University. And final year exams are yet to be conducted because it just got postponed because of this pandemic.
Great. So you are pursuing your master's in commerce, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. And talking more about how did you prepare, how many hours were you dedicating? Because of course you were doing your post graduation along with it, so there must be a time crunch. And also, what subjects were your favorite, which were some challenging subjects for you?
Actually, there is a quite of twist in my journey because I was doing diploma in graphic designing as well along with graduation because I wanted to pursue a career in graphic designing. But then after completing the course and I was not having that inner satisfaction, I just switched to masters in academics because teaching is again another passion I was having. So one day during college lectures, our professor told us if you want to pursue this in your like teaching, if you want to have your career in, so you have to go through this UGC NET exam and then only it will help you to lead forward. So it was, I remember it was in August that I started. I came to know about this and I was having just 4 months with me to cover the huge syllabus of commerce, especially commerce because the syllabus is very vast because it has so many different titles inside it, including accounting, auditing, statistics, management, and a lot more. So again, I was devastated to see the syllabus like, is it for me or not? Because covering this whole thing in 4 months was not that easy. So then I came to this human veritas, and after seeing the study materials, my planning, my scheduling got so easy. Like after seeing the books, the notes were so precise, and I was happy. Yeah, I got this material. I can plan my schedule alongwise, and I just allotted 3 days for one different subject. And the fourth day, I used to give this online test platform to check my result where I am standing right. So likewise, doing this, I prioritize my subject because commerce includes 10 different topics inside it, and knowing all of them is again not possible. It was not for me. So tax was challenging for me because I never liked tax, not in my graduation. So I eliminated that from my material, and also theory management was another challenging paper for me. So remaining these two, the 8 was okay. I was happy. I was happy doing accounting. Economics is my best paper. So I just covered all these paper 2 syllabus. I remember in 1.5 months. In this couple of months, I just cleared. Paper 2 was a complete challenge for me because I never appeared any competitive exams before. So paper 1 was a complete drawback for me. So after going through the material, still I was not having that confidence whether I can give this exam or not. I can clear paper 1 exam because it was compulsory paper. But when I started giving online tests, I was able to check my performance, my improvement skills, my statistics. I used to note it down daily. Today I scored this much, next day I'm scoring this much. So continuously taking tests for 1 month, I was on a different zone, especially with this paper 1 because this online test gives so much confidence with you and the solutions when you refer. Usually what happens with other books, I would tell you, like if the explanation is given for any answer, see option A is correct because this answer ends. But when I refer to Human Peritor's online test platform, it has explained all the 4 topics. Option A is correct, option B is incorrect, C is incorrect, and so on. So by this, you get to know about every option, why is it relevant or it is not. So this was a plus point for me. I used to have so much regular revision, and then it helped me a lot. So then I'll tell you, when I was sitting for the examination, that particular day, 6th of December was my commerce exam. So when I was sitting, I was like, I'm giving a kind of online test. It was so hand-free for me, giving tests, taking online tests for past 1 month regularly. Even on the day of exam, I was feeling like it is a kind of online test, and I was not that kind of nervous. Usually people are. So thanks to Human Peritor.
Thank you so much for sharing your preparation strategy with us. Also, I would like to ask you that if you had to give 3 suggestions to people who are preparing for this subject, what will be your top 3 suggestions?
I would like to recommend you to stick to your plan, because many times it happens, we plan out things, we chalk out our plan, but we fail to execute that. So you have to stick to your plan, whatever plan or schedule you are following or you have made it for yourself, strictly follow that. And then secondly, I would tell, go through the syllabus. Many times it happens, the syllabus is so vast, to getting in-depth knowledge of each and every topic is again not possible, and it does not require to appear in this exam. The overview of every topic is required. So I would just like to suggest an overview of each and every topic, a precise notes of yours, a regular revision and continuous practice will help you a lot. So make a note of yourself, do a regular revision, do it every day. Just open up your eyes, open that notes of yours you are making while referring to the books or study materials, and just do it regularly, because you want to know every detail of overview. So stick to your notes as well. And thirdly, choose your materials very wisely, because the syllabus is so much there. You have to study one thing from one book, another thing from another book. It creates a lot of mess. So I would prefer Human Peritor study materials, because once you will receive, you will understand why am I doing. So it is not just because of this interview. The notes given there are so much precise and so much concrete, and it covers all the topics you need, like to know about before appearing in the examination. So it is very much easy, and again, it is not that fat book, because many times it happens with me, seeing the fat book, I am away from study, like it is not for me. So every different subject is so much in different books you are having, and hardly it has 120, 110 pages, so you can easily refer it anytime you want to. So choose your materials very precisely, and it is very important to have this online test practice, because you need to have the experience how you are going to appear for the exam, how you will save the button, you will click on answers, you will jump on to another answer. So it is very much important to know about this as well. So this again is very much important, or was a plus point for me. So I would recommend this as well.
Amazing. Thank you so much. I think those suggestions are very much in line with what a student needs to hear, so that he can start preparing, or anyone who has already been preparing for the June attempt because it has been postponed. So I think sticking to the plan, sticking to the syllabus, having an overview of the syllabus, I think these are some amazing tips that you offered. And I would like to thank you again for taking out time and talking to us. And all the best for your future. Thank you, Twinkle. I'll conclude the interview here. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.